Hey everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can change theme inside Antigravity. So this is very simple to do, and firstly, if you are on Windows you have to press Ctrl plus K on your keyboard and then Ctrl plus T. And this is going to open this theme editor where you can change your theme. So you have, for example, this category with light themes. So those are light ones. Then you have dark themes over here, and you have also high contrast themes at the bottom. And you can also install additional color themes. So those are custom ones. So for example, let's try firstly some maybe light themes. So if I click on quite light, you can see the theme is changed. So now if I press Command K, Command T, this is for Mac. If you are on Windows, press Control. If you are on Mac, press Command. And now we can scroll to the install additional color themes. And if you click on this, from here we can install custom extensions. So for example, you have, I don't know, Dracula theme official, you have GitHub theme, you have Monokai Pro, so some kind of professional dark and light theme. So let's say we want to install the Dracula theme, simply click on install next to it, and it's going to install the Dracula theme as it is over here displayed, and it's also going to automatically apply the theme, and you can choose from those specific themes. So you have Dracula theme soft, so you can try it, and it's going to be maybe bright or yellow, as you can see. So this is it. This is all for this video. This is how you can change theme. So if you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing for more tutorials like this one.